straight up. You noticed the vehicle behind you?
Yep.
At the lights, we're going to make a right turn.
Okay.
And then we're going to turn left somewhere around up there a little bit. Left turn. I think it's just past the big tree somewhere. It's hard to tell in the winter where they are.
Or to turn towards Adamsdale?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, I used to live in the townhouses here.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
My wife and I almost rented a place here many moons ago. And we'll go to the left.
Okay. And this is First, right?
Yeah, First Avenue. You remember the steps for doing a roadside stop?
Roadside stop.
Yeah.
It's
Go ahead and do it. See if you remember.
that's a driveway. Stop. Turn away from the road so you don't go into it, right?
If you're on a little bit of an incline like that, that's fine, yeah.
Like, do the parking brake.
Yeah. Okay. And then you can cancel your signal. And then for the roadside stop, it would be like for an emergency situation. If you had to get out and change a tire or something like that, you'd put your hazard lights on to make yourself more visible. Usually they do the roadside stop on a flat road where it doesn't require you to turn the wheels or anything. But that was good. You noticed you're on a little bit of the hills here, so yeah, that's what you would do if you're parking uphill with no curb. Okay, right on. Let's take off.
There we go.
With my students, when I'm teaching the hill parking, I break it down into 3 steps before pulling away from the road. Step 1 is to straighten the wheels out. Step 2 is to get your car ready for takeoff. Step 3 is your signal mirror over the shoulder before you leave. No signal required. You just go around them just a door length. And we're going to turn left at the stop sign. This is a bit of a challenging one here, sometimes, when you get traffic.
Another person.
Yep. We're going to go straight at the lights. We're going to go into the Rexall parking lot. Hard right. And you see the silver car up there, the little silver car. Let's back into the space on this side of it.
It's like a red guy.
Right, the silver one.
Oh, this guy right here.
Right over there.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Is it silver or is it white? I can't tell.
It's like a gray.
Yeah.
We're gonna park up.
Reverse, yeah. Reverse parking. Signal right. Nice space.
It's a dark ad.
Hmm?
It's an ad about.
Oh, I wasn't listening to it.
It's an ad about online shopping, and like you need fish food now, or you're gonna have to get a tiny grave digging shovel.
Take a spoon or something. Yeah. That reminds me, I used to live in these townhouses over here, and I got my daughter a goldfish. It was in a bowl on the counter. We're watching TV, and I hear this bloop, just a little, I just look back, and I didn't know what the heck it was. In the morning, we come down, the goldfish had jumped out of the bowl and was on the floor in the kitchen. Suicidal fish. We're gonna make a left out of here. And we'll do the forward parking on the other side of the whatever the last vehicle is over there.
Would you look at that, a line?
Huh?
There's a line. You can actually see it.
Yeah. So when you have a curb in front of you, so that you don't go too far and end up scraping the bottom of your car,
Yeah.
what you do is you stop when you see the curb just appear just below your side mirror. As soon as it's visible, then you know that the nose of your car is right at the curb without going over it. That's perfect.
Back and back.
Okay, good. And let's back it out to the left and we'll head out that way. Keep your wheels straight.
So you want to see what Buddy's doing? He's going
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah, sounds good. We'll let him go first. You want to steer it to the left. We'll go out that way here.
Oh, we're going that way.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And the thing is, you want to come out in a straight line because you want the front right corner of your bumper to clear his back bumper before you turn it. There you go.
There we go.
Yeah. All right. So we'll head out to the roadway here.
Yeah, my twin went for his G2 a few months ago,
Yep.
and he did everything right, but they failed him on
Oh no.
signals in parking lots, which he didn't know was
Wow.
required.
That's crazy, man.
Then
As
he
if they failed him for that.
went this way,
Yeah. Yeah, sorry.
and then he went back. He rescheduled, right? And he was getting ready to. It was like the next day,
Left.
and he gets an email. You need to reschedule. The instructor's sick. So then he finally went and got it, but he was kind of pissed about having to wait that long.
Yeah, I guess so. This guy here has the right of way. See this guy?
Yeah, sorry about that.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, was it, you mean the examiner was sick, so they...
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I can't believe they failed him just for failing to signal in a parking lot. Jeez. Well, you know, when you're using your signal in the parking lot, if you have partially visually impaired people walking around in mall parking lots, the flashing light is maybe the one thing that they can see. I was in a parking lot standing outside my vehicle, and this guy comes up to the side of the car. He puts his face right close to the car here, and he's reading the letters on the side, and I'm like, what the heck is going on, right? Then he feels up on top of the roof, and he feels the sign up on the roof. He goes, hey, you a driving instructor? I go, yeah. You teach your students to use their parking signals in the parking lots? And I go, yeah, we do. And he goes, oh, good, because I'm partially blind. That's the only thing I can see when I'm in the parking lots. And I'm like, okay. So that kind of drove the point home for me. Before that, I was just doing it out of habit, using the signals. At the lights up here, we'll turn right.
Turn right.
Yeah, down Bank Road. miss living in Minnow Lake.
Oh yeah.
We're looking to come back to Minnow Lake there next year. We're out in the south end there right now.
Oh, it's expensive out there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's about this average, you know. Like we're renting a house out there, but I'd rather be out here though.
Oh yeah.
Just like the area.
My buddy TJ, right? He lives with his older sister, and they lived in the south end for a while, and it was like actually stupid expensive.
Yeah.
A house around like smaller than my house was going for like she had bought it for $800,000.
That's crazy. You turn left here. Yeah, they're expensive. Especially if you're looking at, you know, areas like Low Ellen or you go up the hill over here.
All right.
Or Moonglow area.
They were right off Mertondale. So kind of.
Oh yeah.
So a few streets off of region there.
Mm-hmm. Let's do a 3-pointer.
Pointer.
Yeah. Bit narrower space here.
I'm in the new Sudbury now. I haven't been to the new place yet. They've been there for like 2 months.
Yeah.
But
That's an expensive area too, the new Sudbury.
yeah, she's a higher up at an energy company.
Mm.
Funny thing is, when she had graduated from whatever she went to school for, she'd bought herself a BMW as a gift.
Nice. A Beamer.
Oh yeah.
So she ain't hurting.
Mm-hmm.
So there we go, man. We'll make a right turn at the stop sign, and we'll head back to your place.
Okay.
When we get there to your place, we'll back it into your driveway. That'll be a little bit of a challenge because it's a little small hill, to get into your driveway. They've been working on this roof like for like the beginning of the summer. It's like a garage roof or something.
Wonder what's been taking them so long.
I don't know. Ran out of wood. I know wood's expensive, so maybe that. Yeah. So today, this was just an introduction to the maneuvers. We'll be practicing them over and over again, so that everything will get into your muscle memory. But you're already ahead of the game, I can tell you right now. So. When there's traffic on Bancroft, it must be pretty challenging sometimes to get off your road here.
Oh yeah. If there's a lot of traffic right there, we can just go up there.
Oh yeah.
And it goes up to that Union Hall. That's up.
Right. So to back into your driveway, you want to move your car over to the left side of the road, just past your driveway, signaling a left. And you just kind of line up your back bumper with the edge of the driveway. Right about here is good.
Gotta be careful here. There's a deep ditch.
Is there?
Right there.
Okay, good to know.
My uncle usually packs it with snow so that people don't fall in.
Yeah.
But for the snowfall of the year, I doubt it's packed full that much.
Yeah, it gets full of snow and you don't know there's a ditch there, and if you pull over too far, it might sink. Yeah, I've seen that happen. Awesome. That's good. Right on, Trusten. Awesome. So that's it, man. Your next hour, we're going to be doing one-ways downtown, which is a lot of fun. I enjoy doing that lesson. You never know what you're going to see downtown.